Hey guys, let's take a look into our contact pages. Now you know that Evora has two different layouts. This is layout number 1 and this is layout number 2. Overall pretty simple, but layout number 1 has a small detail that you need to be aware of. So we'll go over that in just a minute. Now in order to create a contact page, you need to go over to Pages, click on Add New, you add in your page title, and then you scroll down to the Templates area and you choose either contact, let's see where it is. Okay, so contact A or contact B, either one of the following options. So I'm going to select contact A. You do a quick preview of the layout and then click on apply template and confirm. Then you are taken to the layout tab, and in this area you can see that everything is broken down into sections and you can make adjustments accordingly. So first of all, let's just go over the structure real quick. We have our header placeholder where the options are pretty standard overall. There's really not much to it. You can adjust your margins within the miscellaneous tabs. You can hide the menu if that's required for any unknown reason. And then you can also change out the background color if that's required as well. Next off, we have a section that's called divider. This area is pretty simple. You adjust the block height and you choose whether or not you want to display the following line. So this section is just more of a, I guess like a decorative element. If this is not required for some of you guys, you can simply go ahead and remove that. So no specific purpose behind that. In terms of this WordPress content area, essentially this is this text over here that you simply copy and paste into the text editor above. Okay, and let's see what else we got going on here. We have our contact block. Okay, so as you click here, we have the layout of our contact block. You can change out the colors, elements, color, and so forth. Now, this background color over here applies to this background color over here, not the color around the actual contact form. Okay, so that's just something to, for you to keep in mind. And then you can make adjust in terms of fonts, titles, links, and stuff like that. So all pretty easy and self-explanatory. In terms of forms, there are two options. We have a built-in contact form or a custom shortcode that you add from Ninja Forms or CF7, whatever works for you. Okay, so contact form 7, yeah, just add that there. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what else. We have here a section that's called use reply to header. We have a separate video on that, so that's included in the how-tos area. You guys can watch that video as well. Okay, on how to work with this area. It's recorded from another theme, but overall the idea remains the same. Okay, so once you've made all of the adjustments here, scroll down to your next section. Hold on, let me just minimize that. So we have an area that's called info block. Here you simply add your block, and basically it's this area over here. You can add text, small image, and then another text area. So overall it's all pretty simple. You select one of the following three. It's either a title or a text area or an image where you can upload, like we have the following graphic uploaded. Okay, and yeah, so add as many blocks as you guys require here, make all of the final adjustments, and that's pretty much it. So once you've added content here, let me just add a title, there we go. So once you've added content, go ahead and click on publish. Oh, whoops, forgot to add in my email address. Alright, so we've published our page, and let's do a quick preview of it. One thing that I want to note up front, or actually you guys can see already, if we compare this to our demo page, you can see that here we have this grayish background, and in the page that I just created, we do not have this background, so it's a default background. Okay, so if you guys want to have the background that we have within our demo, you will need to go over here to contact block 1, unfold these settings, go over to the miscellaneous tab, and then make adjustments in this background color area. So you click on use a different color, click here and type in hashtag F8 F8. Okay, so you add that there, click on, let's see, publish. I thought I published this page. Nope, it's just a preview. So you click on publish, or in that case, you click on update. And let's see what we got going on here. Okay, and there we go. So we have this background color added for the specific block. Once again, if we compare this to our initial design, sorry, let me go back to contact one, there we go. You can see that we also have a background color applied to this section over here, and then also background color applied to the text area. So you will need to unfold the settings for this area and this area as well, and add the F8, F8, F8 color hashtag into these areas, so these sections are all identical in terms of background colors. Okay, that's just something for you guys to note whenever creating the contact page, if you want to have it specifically or identical to our contact one. Okay, so that's that. Let's take a look into contact page number 2, though there's really not much to it. The idea kind of remains the same. We have an option to upload an image, and that's pretty much it. So we still have our header, then we have our contact block number 2. Here you upload, you add in your text, and then you upload the image, which is located on the left hand side, as we can see within our demo. So you add in all of this content here. Same process applies. Adjust colors, fonts, links, and additional info. Right side decorative image. So this is this bit over here that can be adjusted as well. And then just continue on with the process as you normally would. So everything here is also pretty simple, straightforward, and self-explanatory, I'd say. Just keep in mind, if you guys want to adjust the background color at any point, go over to the miscellaneous tab and make the required adjustments. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps, and yeah, we've covered the entire process, I guess, for our contact pages. So yeah, thanks for watching.